everyone, today we are at White Ridge Farm at Hamilton Road, Elimbah, which is in north side of Brisbane. At the farm entrance, there is an old car and a bicycle on a display as their antique pieces, creating a charming old-fashioned atmosphere. Plenty of parking, so you can visit from Tuesdays to Sundays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and all 7 days a week at school holiday period. You can come along with your family, your friends, and near and dear ones to celebrate any kind of occasions like birthday parties or any party time. We can see the children are ready for their tractor or their train ride, and they are very curious to go inside the jungle to meet our unicorns, dinosaurs, and some hidden cows, goats, and there are many things which they can find inside. It's like a treasure hunt where they can find some interesting things in there. Feed many of their animals, including Camel. You can watch their playful goats and sheep and the lambs, feed the chickens, duck, llamas, and try milking their big cow as well, which is in the entrance. They have plenty of parking, so you can visit anytime to celebrate any kind of parties, and you can also buy their tickets online, or you can buy at the counter directly once you arrive. It's a great place for children to have fun and experience the beautiful farmland where you can go for a train ride with the kids and adults. To visit this place so that the children can have their party time and some fun time. And also please do like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.